Alright, Casey Campbell here working on the First Amendment audit. They're already putting the Christmas tree here. Let me see what happens.
I don't feel comfortable you recording me. What are you guys up to?
What do you mean, what are we up to?
What are you offering here?
What's wrong?
Here.
What are you offering here, lady?
Damn, what's wrong with this lady? Jesus Christ, scares me off. Is it open here?
Damn, really?
Damn. What's going on? She's tripping. It's locked, bro.
Oh. My boss say you can come in here.
What is
My
it?
boss say you can come in here, go that way.
Says who?
Okay.
So we're supposed to go around so we can come back to the same side?
Yeah, because that's working in here.
Okay, good. Hey, what's going on? Why is the city hall closed?
It's not closed, it's open.
What is it?
It's open.
Oh, it's open? Because all the offices seem closed. Like they're like.
Well, it's because of
I'm
COVID
going.
precautions. We got to check in.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we're waiting to check in too. I'm waiting for the lady there too.
Oh, cool.
So she can sign us up.
What are you guys documenting for?
I know I can ask you that question. I can ask him that question.
You can't answer?
Well, maybe you got any insights of what's going on?
No, I asked, what are you guys documenting for?
That's why we're gathering insights for a story.
Oh, okay.
Do you have any insights for us?
But what kind of story? That's my question.
Anything that's corruption? And,
Oh, I don't know about
You don't know anything?
Not anything about that.
You walk away real fast. Come here. Well, why you walk away fast?
Why you talk to me like that?
No,
I'm not being
okay.
rude. You said come here, like
Yeah,
I'm a dog or something.
I'm not like that though. Like not like that. But what's going on? Why you
No
left when I asked you?
comment, no comment, no, I don't want to talk to you.
Why you left when I asked you? As soon as I asked you about corruption and this and that, you just walked away like if you seen the devil or something. I'm like, what the hell?
Acting strange in here, bro.
Jeez. Good afternoon. We're waiting for this lady to check me in. She just walked away from her post. I like that time that she walked away. The doctor offered check.
I don't want to talk.
I didn't pay for
About
that.
what?
Just, we're journalists.
A journalist
Yeah.
with what outlet?
How's your day going, man? We started off a little wrong. earlier.
Journalist with what
I didn't know
outlet?
what you were doing, but it's going good. Did you guys need anything?
Yeah, we're Public Works, right?
All
Oh.
the cities,
They're
their name of the
busy right now.
publication you run?
Oh.
Did you need something with them?
Yeah, I wanted to look at the safety data sheets. Or do you have any public records requests
Oh, so
form?
you're not a journalist.
I can ask them.
Yeah, please.
What did you need again?
Casey? I go by Casey,
No
not my
doubt
name.
about
I go
it.
by
No one's
Casey.
challenging that whatsoever. Hi, how are you?
What's up, man? Good.
Good.
Everything
Can we help
good?
you with something?
I know, just working here on the story, and that's it pretty much.
Okay. What kind of story is it?
It hasn't been disclosed yet, so it doesn't have a title. So,
Okay.
Yeah, you know anything? Is there any corruption going on in the city hall? Do you know any person that's taking money? Maybe you want to tell.
What news outlet are you with by chance?
It's just, I mean, I can't disclose that, but I ask you that question. Do you know anything about that?
Do you have any identification or credentials?
For what? Where do I get the credentials at?
You just have credentials as a legitimate.
I can print them off my printer and just bring you a
I'm afraid I
credential.
can't answer any questions until I see some legitimate
Says who?
credentials.
Says who?
Says me.
Who are you?
I can't answer any questions till
Well,
I
if you're a
see some
public
credentials.
employee, you're supposed to answer your
Are there
questions.
police officers inside? I think it's police, right?
No, the police department is right across the way, and they're public
So you-
entrance
So you-
lobbies on that side.
You work for the city hall?
I do.
What's your name?
My name is Michael Chi. I'm the director of public affairs here.
Oh, cool. Interesting. Very passive aggressive.
What was the
I
form
need
that
a
you were
public
asking
records
for?
request form, so I can place a public records
It's
request form.
online. It's all available online.
Well,
through
what
the
if I'm an
website.
old man who doesn't have a computer and a printer?
Then we provide assistance for that.
That's why I came here.
All
Yeah.
right. You may have a form.
You
that's-
know, I got that on my last deposition. The lawyer asked me why did I went to the DMV and got what was it, a driving booklet, that manual, when I
don't
could have
know.
got it
I don't know
online.
anything about your
No,
incident, sir.
I'm saying it's the same thing you said. I know I can get it online, but I'm trying to show people what the process is.
Okay. Well,
Yeah.
if you don't know, we've upgraded our website
Yes.
to make it very
Yes.
user-friendly,
Yes.
and it actually
I know.
automatically
Yeah.
translates
I know.
into
I
any
know.
language you want.
I know that. Yeah, thank you very much for that. Well, trust me, I'm up to date on that. Thank you.
Good.
You're very passive aggressive, dude. I know I'm under your skin already, but you just have to act professional
Yes.
for the camera. You say, yeah, thank you. You admit it. I mean, it's good, bro. I already got you. I mean, it's okay. Now you can act whatever you want. That's not gonna change the fact that you're in passive
I
aggressive.
just came out here to see if I could help you, gentlemen. That's all.
Yes, sure.
Is that place closed?
That is off limits. It's employees only.
Oh,
It's
okay.
a fire administrative area.
Oh, okay.
Interesting.
That's all
You're
that
in
I
the,
needed
you're
to
in the
know.
public lobby, the chamber is open.
Yes.
This is where we do public meetings. Of course, you're allowed access in this
Yes.
area.
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much for that.
All right. Is there anything else?
What's your name, sir? What is your name?
I don't have to disclose that information.
You have to disclose it. I'm
However-
gonna public records request your phone, and I'm gonna go through all your phones.
Okay.
I'm gonna go through all your phone. I'm gonna get your
Just
emails,
step
your
back.
pictures, your text messages, and I'm gonna post them online so people can see.
step back.
All right?
Okay.
All right? You're gonna have fun.
Is there any other questions?
Yeah, I'm gonna public records request you, and I'm gonna get everything on your phone, your videos, your text messages, your emails, anything.
The
That's
last
yours.
part, though.
Yeah, and I'm gonna post them online. All right?
What about the fun part?
Yeah, it's gonna be fun.
Sorry.
When you get exposed, I'll make it fun for you.
Any other questions I can answer for you, gentlemen?
Oh no, thank you. I see why he's behaving that way. Makes me assume you're about
So you
it.
have nothing questions?
I'm waiting
You
for my
don't need
public-
other
waiting
information?
for
She'll
my
bring
phone.
your public records
Thank you.
request.
Very unprofessional of you.
Not a problem.
Professional and professional. I'm not gonna lie. You're good at playing it off. But you
Okay.
can play it
So
off
there's
with me.
nothing else you need?
Nah, thank you. You're dismissed.
No, we're gonna continue filming that area.
Thank you.
Very good. Well, you may film in this area and this area and this area. This
Yeah,
is
we
all
noticed
open
that.
to public.
And
the
that
officers.
too, right?
Not until you're escorted back to this area by the assistant.
Oh, okay.
And that's for COVID protocols.
No, I understand. I'm not trying to get sick. I'll tell you straight up. Oh, there you go. They got everything here, bro. They got everything here. She has it here. Man, she is so triggered, bro, that she didn't even notice that it was
That's
here.
all.
You got it? Thank you so much on that. Alrighty, thank you. I heard we have to get an escort, so I'm not trying to get an escort. But thank you so much for dropping your attitude. I'll give you a 10 plus on that. That's
Why are you
cool.
so scared of a
It takes
camera,
guts, bro, to
I,
do what you
I
do.
didn't know what you were doing, sir, so that's why I don't feel comfortable
Well, what's
people
the big
recording
deal
me.
when you're a
I'm a
public
little shy.
servant?
Okay, no, I mean,
So I don't like it when people record me, but if this is what you guys are doing and it's
Yeah.
a public service and that's the
it's
intent,
actually a public service. Trust me, I got arrested off of this just because of what I'm doing. Trust me, it is a public service, and I'm willing to. The last cop that got me arrested, I took him to trial, and I'm going to take it to appeal courts.
Is there
I didn't take any deal, so just to make it clear, I don't care. I go to the bottom. If I had to go to the president, I'll go to the president. Hey,
thank you, Michael.
suck it easy, buddy.
All right, guys.
All
Have
right.
a good day.
All right.